Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a project pattern video, and also I know it probably doesn't really look like it, but I am wearing a top, and yeah. So if you don't know what a project pattern video, like project pattern is, it is where you try and finish up some of your products, just use them up. And I was just in the shower using up my Lush like whoosh thingamabobby. And I thought, yes, finally, because I've had it for like 2 years. Try and finish it in December, and then like if I can't finish it by December, I'll do it by thingy. But yeah, that was really long in explanation, and I'm talking really quickly because I'm going to leave in like 20 minutes, which is quite bad. But yeah, so if you want, give it a like and subscribe down below. But let's get on with the video. I'm literally going to talk so quickly about all of the things, and I just have everything on my little chair here. Also, if that annoys you, it's a little thing, so don't even look at it. So the first thing I want to really use up is this pink body spray, Christmas edition in Slay What. And I've had this for like 2 years, and it's just not going to go down, because I used to want to save it now, but I'm going to try and get it like down to the bottom, and I use it like 6 times a day, literally not even joking. Then I want to use up this Zoella double cream body cream, because I've had it for quite a long time again, and it's like kind of a bit empty, but like it's still quite a bit left. I don't really like it that much. It's this Vaseline, just normal Vaseline, and it's kind of already hit pan because I was trying to make a lip scrub, and you know what, yeah, but I'm just gonna put it in anyway. Then I've got this other Lush jelly thing, and it's not really very empty at all, but I like to freeze it and it's so nice and cold. Then I have this sparkle moisturizer thing, and it's actually so nice, and I've kind of used up loads of it. Like you can see, as I squeeze it, like it doesn't come out, so it's like I have used some of it. Then I'm not going to finish this at all, but it's this Zoella body fondant, because when I was obsessed with the Zoella, I literally got all of her stuff. Like, I got the hamper, and I really regret it now because I don't really like it at all. But it's like this shimmer thing, and it is so horrid, but this feels so good. Then I am going to be trying to use up this little dog BB Barton thing. Oh my god, it keeps like focusing on my face. Oh, that's such a nice focus. But yeah, I haven't really used up much of this, but I'm just going to try and use it up. Then I'm going to try and use up like not just this one pocket back in general, but like most of my pocket backs, because I've got quite a few and they're kind of like halfway-ish, and I'm just like trying to put them in my car, in my school bag, well not in my car, but you know, like my whole family can use them, so I will use up all of these. I'm going to try and use up this Sugar Plum Fairy Lush like thingy scrub, and I am like haven't really used much of it up, but it tastes so good honestly. And then this is like kind of a weird one, but I'm going to try and use up this Collection pressed powder. It's like kind of white, and just recently, wait, it's like a bit dented, I've been putting my old like hard beauty blender in it, and then just like putting it as pressed powder under my eyes, and it actually is so good, not even gonna lie. Then I am going to try and be using up some of this sooo X thingy highlighter palette, but like just hit pan on one of the shades. So I'm probably gonna hit pan like this one or that one, because, or that one actually, because I use them quite a lot. Then I'm going to try and hit pan on one of these shades. Like I love this like base colour, but it's probably going to be like that shimmer colour or that shimmer colour. Then I'm going to try and use up this Calm X, because it's like kind of a bit gone but not really, and I just, yeah, I think it looks better when it's a bit empty. And then this lip balm's actually kind of gross, like really gross, and I thought I was at the end of it, and then I screwed it up, and like the whole thing, left hand problems, yeah, it's like went up it went up literally that far, and I was using it like every day, so many times a day, and I was like, yes, I'm nearly down to the bottom, and I was just so annoyed. Then I'm going to try and use up my EOS's, but here's just one. It's like that. That's the cringiest thing ever. Like, look at this lip balm I have here. And then it's this lasting collection. But like, it actually does focus well, that's so cool. But thingy in the shade Fair 1. But yeah, I've had this quite a long time and it'll just go crispy. And then the last thing that I want to hit pan on is this Hoola bronzer thingy. And yeah, it's like not really used up any of it at all. But that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm literally just going to go to my friend's house in like 1 minute. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in a bit. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I said that really weirdly. Okay, thank you so much for watching and putting up with my voice. See you in a bit. Bye.